Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you simple top 5 Android settings to enable for better battery life and keep your phone running smoothly. Disable unused printing services. Open settings and use the search bar to type printing. Tap default print services and disable any services you don't use. Manage app notifications. Open settings, search for notifications, and tap app notifications. Review the list and disable notifications from apps you don't need alerts from. Turn on battery protection. Go to Settings. Tap on Battery and Power Saving. Then, tap Current Mode. Control location services. Why it helps. GPS running in the background can drain your battery quickly. Open Settings. Go to Location. Tap App, Location Permissions. Set only important apps to allow while using the app for other apps. Select Deny or Ask every time, turn on. Dark Mode, why it helps. Dark mode saves battery, especially on AMOLED screens. Open Settings. Go to Display and Brightness. Select Dark Mode. You can also set a schedule, sunset to sunrise. And that's it. Your phone is now smarter, more efficient, and battery-friendly. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and follow for more practical Android tips. Thanks for watching.